So welcome back. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like and share. Now let's do a quick analysis on our USD CAD for this week. Now you can see that our prediction was right about our weekly time frame, whereby our prediction pushes up and we've actually gotten that bullish move upward. And again, I also did an analysis about on the 17th, whereby there's every possibility we'll be pushing up to hit this our liquidity area here, which we've actually hit this our liquidity area here. Now we see that this week, now as we are planning to trade this week, our USD will actually be falling this week. Now to analyze it better, we will go to our USD index. We actually saw a push up, we've actually saw a fall, we actually saw a push up giving us a rejection here, serving as a resistance. Definitely we're actually having a fall again, giving us that M movement on our weekly time frame. If you are to analyze it on our weekly time frame, we're actually going to be having a push up, push down, push up. Now we're actually going to this week, we're actually going to having a fall this week, giving us like an M movement that way. So by the end of this week, our price should actually close red, at least to this our key area here. If we don't hit it this week, then probably this week and next week we're actually having a bearish candle closing to this our area here. So our index USD is actually falling. And now when you are to analyze it again by checking our correlation pairs on our USD, check other USD related pairs, we can see that our euro is about to rise against our USD, our pound is about to rise against our USD, our USD self is about to drop this week. If you have to sit on a daily time frame, you can see this rejection here. Now sit on our 4-hour time frame, we are seeing marking here as like a resistance. Now our price, our USD is about to fall, right? Definitely our USD CAD is about to fall this week. So when you see our correlation pair, we will see that our USD is about to fall. Now on a full view, now we can see that our USD is ranging between this our area here. Our USD just have this bullish move, hit this our liquidity area here. Then what are we aiming for? A fall again. If you are to trade it like this, we are going to be trading what we see and not what we think. We'll be moving, watching here as a ranging market. So our USD against our CAD this week would actually be falling. This week, even next week, would actually be having a fall on our USD CAD. So that is my analysis for the week. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Thank you very much.